Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily link your Instagram account to Facebook. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, open your Play Store or App Store. It doesn't matter, just make sure you have the Facebook app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything runs smoothly in the process. Once you're done, you can quit the store and open Facebook now. Make sure you are logged into your account, and then you go to the menu by tapping the three lines in the bottom right corner or top right corner of your screen, depends on what device you have. From here we need to go to settings, so tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, or you can tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings right here. Again, within settings we need to go to account center. It should be at the very top. And within account center we need to open connected experiences. It should be the second option right here. And once you open connected experiences, these are not the options we need to go to add account at the very top, that blue button. Once you go there, as you can see, here we go guys, it says add Instagram account. That's where you need to tap. It will take you to this page where you should find all of your Instagram accounts. Here you can select all of them, or just select the one or two you want to add to Facebook. Now if you don't find the one that you want to add, you can tap on find a different account in the bottom and continue from there, and just like that you can add your Instagram to Facebook. Basically, if you cannot link using this method, you can always quit from here and go to your browser and just search for link Facebook to Instagram, and within the first searches you find the one that is by the official Facebook website. You can tap on it, takes you to the app. If you want it to be easier, just tap and hold on the website and tap on open in new tab, and you will force it to open in the browser. From here you can read through the solutions because it's always up to date in this website. So basically, if in the future maybe this tutorial doesn't work, you can check back in our channel. We make new videos all the time. If you want to make it quicker, you can go to the website. And that's basically it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below, and thank you very much for watching.